Hi everybody, welcome to our channel, Fluidity of Life. Today it's going to be a quick recipe. My wife is making some chicken soup. What kind of soup you're making?
Tinolang manok. Chicken soup.
Chicken...
Filipino chicken soup.
I'm not going to try to say that. Filipino soup.
Lang manok.
No manok.
Tinolang manok.
Tinolang manok.
Yeah.
Okay, I think I got that pretty good, so... Woo! Okay, I'm making some ubi, naan, or flatbread. I'm going to be using... I only got vanilla yogurt, so I'm going to be using some vanilla yogurt. You can use Greek yogurt if you got. I'm going to be using some ubi extract. Really, what's ubi is yam, purple yam. If you got purple yam, then you can use purple yam. That'd probably be more natural, but this is some organic extract, so that's what I got. This you can get online or Amazon or Walmart. I think it's my Walmart. It's getting expensive though, $7 or $8 I think for a bottle, but it probably goes a long way. You don't use it too much. And I'm gonna be using a little bit of baking soda, salt, and some all-purpose flour. So let's get started. It's a pretty easy recipe, so I'm gonna start with start with 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 3/4 cups flour. I'm going to use a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to use 1/2 teaspoon of combine those ingredients. And we're going to add 1 cup of yogurt. This is vanilla low fat yogurt. You can use plain yogurt if you got. Greek. Nice vibrant purple color, so I'm gonna start maybe with this is a 1/2 tablespoon. I think I'll go close to a 1/2 tablespoon. Let's see what it looks like. Might add a little bit more. A little bit more, so we got a full 1/2 tablespoon we'll go with. Then we'll just combine all this. Color. This should make about 8 flatbreads or naan bread. Here I just added a little bit of a couple tablespoons of warm water just to clean out my yogurt out of my measuring cup, and the rest of that ubi that was in my tablespoon just to clean this up. It's kind of dry today, a lot of moisture in the air, so you need a little bit more moisture. Just use a clean hand. Make a little ball. We'll just leave it rest for a while, cover it with a little bit of saran wrap until I'm ready to roll it. And then we'll start rolling it, then we'll put on the cast iron. Okay, just cover it up with saran wrap for a little bit, 15-20 minutes. Or if you're not going to use it right away, you can put it in the refrigerator for a while until you need to divide it. As I said, let's make about 8 pieces, and we'll divide it, and you'll just need a little bit of flour for when you're rolling, and a little bit of oil or butter if you want when you're cooking it on the cast iron pan. Okay guys, let's get rolling. Okay, get a little bit of flour on the board. Pieces the best we can. Pieces. Four. Piece of pizza. Another one off the side. Dough is usually pretty moist, so you might need more flour if it starts sticking. A little flour on your rolling pin. Cast iron heating up already. Make as uniform as you can, no matter. So you good for the first one? Show you how it get on the cast iron. Okay guys, we got the cast iron and it's pretty warm. A little bit of just a little bit of butter, not much. And I got a little bit of vegetable oil on a paper towel. Just wipe it here. And every time you add a new one, you can just wipe it again. See if this one takes a little bit longer. Heat it up properly. Okay, 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Nice little bubbles there. Give it a push. Get warm. You see some smoke. You gotta be careful not to burn it. Flip. Usually 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Then we'll get the rest of these done and we'll show you when they're finished. All of them. There you guys go. 8 pieces of ubi yogurt Naan flatbread. Hope you guys like my recipe. You can try it. This tastes good anytime. Morning, day, or afternoon. By itself. With soup. Or with your favorite protein inside, vegetables. And you got yourself a nice gyro. Money right there. I think. Proof. Thanks for watching from Fluidity of Life. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Comment, like, share, and we'll see you in the next vlog. Oh, don't forget to hit the bell button so you get notification. See what we're doing next. Bye for now.